Just as classes are online this quarter, sessions at the Hub will be online as well. This video will teach you how to schedule an online appointment so you can gain access to the same sort of tutoring experience as an in-person session. There are two different options for an online session. The first option is called online tutoring. This is most like an in-person session where you meet with a partner live. Your writing partner will email a Zoom link to your SU email at the start of your appointment, and from there you will work together on your document through Zoom's regular functions. The other session option is called e-tutoring. This is an asynchronous session. You provide a link to your document when you first make the appointment, and the writing partner will read and add comments to the document on their own. They'll then email back your annotated document within several hours to a few days of your appointment start time. Since you won't be working live with the writing partner, we recommend that you ask specific questions on where you'd like the most help. This will help the writing partner know what they should be focusing on. And making the appointment is just like normal. You access your WC Online account and select a white space which indicates when the writing partner is available. As you're making the appointment, you specify which of the two online session options you'd like to use. Then, you're all set. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you soon.